Do you know that our life is controlled 95% of the time by our subconscious mind? Yes, you have heard it right, ladies and gentlemen. And welcome to All Booked Online Book Review. Today I'm going to review an amazing book by Dr. Joseph Murphy, which is called The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. It was originally published in 1963. So let's understand some interesting facts about it. Your subconscious mind records everything. Yes, it records everything, and it's always alert and awake. And as I mentioned, it controls 95% of our lives. It is built on habituation, right? So that's one of the fact of subconscious minds, and it speaks to your dreams. It has no verbal language. It takes everything literally. So whatever you're going to give to your subconscious mind, whatever you put in, it's going to take everything literally, right? It can do trillion things at once, and it is not logical. It's the feeling mind. So subconscious mind is a feeling mind. It's not a logical mind, ladies and gentlemen. And it is 1 million times more powerful than your conscious mind. So your conscious mind is only 5%, and your subconscious mind is 95%. So this is one of the amazing books by Dr. Joseph Murphy, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, published originally in 1963, as mentioned. It has some amazing things in this book, which you can learn, so that to build prosperity, relationship, happiness, and success, wealth, whatever you want in your life, you can have everything. They say that there is a powerful force that lies within each of us, and the marvelous force is called your subconscious mind. And there is a lot of power in your subconscious mind, ladies and gentlemen. So let's begin and understand. Your conscious mind commands and your subconscious mind obeys. That's what exactly happens. And your subconscious mind is like a huge memory bank, right? And the function of your subconscious mind is to store and retrieve data, right? Your subconscious mind is very powerful force to be reckoned with. So whatever you want to bring in your life, more power, more wealth, more health, more happiness, and more joy by learning to contact and release the hidden power of your subconscious mind. So all those tips and tricks and nuggets are given in this book by Dr. Joseph Murphy. And one of the main reasons, ladies and gentlemen, that people do not succeed at achieving whatever their goals are, because they have not accepted in their subconscious mind that they are capable of achieving that. So that's exactly is the reason why most people are miserable and unhappy, not achieving their goals, because they themselves did not accept in their subconscious mind. The moment your subconscious mind accepts a goal, it starts in motion a powerful force that overcomes obstacles. So that's what is this book all about. This book is packed with some real life stories, ladies and gentlemen. And the table of contents is all about how your mind works, the miracle working of power of your subconscious, how to use this power for wealth. How many of you want wealth? How many of you want to become rich, right? And I think you should understand your limiting beliefs when it comes to money, and so many other things beautifully written in this amazing book, and how to get the results that you want. Human relationships, one of the most important aspect of anybody's life, ladies and gentlemen, is having healthy human relationships. Do you want to have a healthy human relationship? Then you must read this book and understand the power of your subconscious mind and how you can have healthy relationships. So your subconscious mind and your happiness. There's so much in this book, the principles to change your own life, showing that the techniques in the book really work. Learn the principles laid out by Dr. Murphy to find out how you can unleash your hidden powers and bring out your true self, a bigger and better you. So amazing book. I know you might have read this book, but I would insist, go back. It's always good to read or reread a book which you have already done, because you might get something new out of it. So conscious and subconscious mind, as mentioned, ideas which are worth remembering out of this book is think good and good follows. Think evil and evil follows. So Dr. Joseph Murphy has beautifully mentioned in this book that your mind is like a fertile soil. It's like a soil. Whatever you put in, it doesn't care whether it is a weed, whether it is a poison, whether it is a really amazing seed, organic seed. It doesn't care. It doesn't bother. It's going to give you whatever you're sowing in it. So your subconscious mind does not argue with you. That's what it says. It accepts what your conscious mind decrees. If you say, I cannot afford it, it may be true. Select a better thought, I'll buy it. I accept it in my mind. And all disease originates in the mind. Nothing appears on the body unless there is a mental pattern corresponding to it. So, whatever your life is today, ladies and gentlemen, whether in whichever area you talk about, your profession, wealth, relationships, health, and so many other things, it's because of your subconscious mind. So, whatever you are actually putting in is reaping. That's what you have been reaping. And let's look at the difference between the conscious and subconscious mind. Conscious mind is the master and commander. Subconscious mind just takes orders from the conscious mind. The conscious mind is a gardener, and the subconscious mind is the garden itself. And conscious mind has job of impressing things, right? And subconscious mind accepts whatever you impress on it. Conscious mind is going to give you reasons, and it does not reason. Subconscious mind does not reason at all. It accepts even if it is false. So please be very careful on what you're putting in your subconscious mind. And there are a lot of exercises which have been beautifully given in this book, which you can start doing, right? Let's say, for example, it's given as the idea of success contains all the elements of success. Repeat the word success to yourself frequently with faith and conviction, and you'll be under a subconscious compulsion to succeed, right? So the infinite intelligence of my subconscious mind reveals to me everything I need to know at all times, everywhere. Uh, Beautiful. So as I said, there are some amazing stories in it. Go ahead. If you have already read it, I strongly recommend go back and read it again. You might really find something totally new, which you might want to implement in your life. So conscious mind that responds to logic, and subconscious minds responds to feelings. So whatever you're feeling, you want to manifest in your life. So our most important job is to get the subconscious mind to accept the idea. So the blueprint of your life, uh, I'm just giving an example here because this is just book review. You are building your mental home all the time. Your thoughts and mental imagery are the blueprints. Whatever blueprint you're creating in your thoughts is what subconscious is working upon. So whatever you want in life, ladies and gentlemen, you can get it by using your subconscious mind power. So fantastic book written by Dr. Joseph Murphy, and I think the amazing, and a lot of copies might have sold so far. And take this seriously because your subconscious mind has a lot of power to attract whatever you want in your life. Whatever happening or not happening is because of your subconscious mind. It says the feeling of health produces health, right? The feeling of wealth produces wealth. So how do you feel right now, ladies and gentlemen? So this is all booked. My name is Kumar Achanta. This is an online book review for this week, which is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. So if you have read this book, I want you to write what is that one thing which you really liked about this book, and you are actually practicing it in the comment section below, so that I know that you have read this book, and also share your experiences of using the power of your subconscious mind. Till then, I'm going to see you next time with another amazing book soon. So this is all booked online book review. I'll see you again soon. Take care. All the very best and keep reading. Bye.